Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C17, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. That being said, doing so through recovery mode will allow you to get rid of a screen lock, so if you have one set that you don't know, for instance, I have a set pattern, so I'll progress from here as though I don't know it to kind of emulate this kind of effect. So anyway, this will obviously get rid of it fully, but there's a little bit of a caveat. So if you have also a Google account signed in and you have a screen lock, this will then lock the device, meaning when you're going through the setup process of it, you will be forced to verify one of these two, meaning either the screen lock or the Google account. And assuming you don't know either of those, typically you would be basically locked out of it and you wouldn't be able to finish up the setup, well, keeping you there till you verify it. But luckily I do have a bypass guide for that will be coming right after this video, so if you fall under this small niche of people, that said guide will basically help you, number one, bypass this, and then second, remove it. So let's get started. We're gonna first hold our power button and we're gonna select our, or we're gonna swipe down to power it off. As you can see, we don't need to verify anything, no screen lock, no nothing. The device will just simply turn off. Once it does so, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Let go of the power button when you see the REALME logo. Here we're gonna select our desired language, so I'm gonna tap on English, and then you want to select wipe data and then select format data. This will generate a random code right here, so simply type it in. For me it's 9589. If I would go back here, it will change, so just to demonstrate this, as you can see now it's different. 5241. There we go. Once you type it in, select format to confirm it. This will start wiping the data from the device, and at least this step takes only a couple of seconds, and as you can see it's almost finished, at which point it will give us a pop-up any moment now. I guess we're just gonna wait. There we go. Wipe successful. Click on OK, and it automatically reboots the device. Now it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up because it is still continuing the reset of it in the background. That is completely normal. Once it's finished, we will then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.